Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your promo code on Peacock TV. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in peacocktv.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Peacock TV. Now in order to use a promo code, you will either need to sign up and create a new account or sign in to your existing one by clicking on either the Get Started or the Sign In button. Then you can simply proceed with entering your email address and click on the Continue button. Now once you log into your account or proceed with signing up, if your plan has run out, in case you're signing in, then you will be asked to select your new plan. If you're signing up for the first time, then this is the screen that you will see by default. Simply go ahead and choose whether you want to pay monthly or yearly, and then click on the best plan that you want for yourself. Click on the appropriate button and you will be taken to the checkout page. Now from the checkout page, you will simply need to enter your account credentials, followed by your first and your last name and your gender, your year of birth, and your zip code. Alongside your plan option, you will also find Have a Promo Code feature underneath. Simply click on this page and you will be able to enter your promo code. Simply type in your promo code and then click on the Apply button, and this will successfully redeem your promo code with Peacock TV. And now you can proceed with checking out with your redeemed promo code. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem your promo code with Peacock TV. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.